A very good afternoon to all of you, and my greetings from AIIMS Devghar to the team of ILBS. So moving on to the topic allotted to me today, that is role of medical colleges in prevention and control of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. We all know that the medical colleges deal with three aspects, mainly teaching, clinical care, and research. But it is a mandate of medical colleges to go for both curative and preventive care. So how can we give this proper preventive care? The proper prevention can be because of good curative care and good research work which we carry out in our medical college. So for the prevention and control of the NAFLD, it's not only one department which will be responsible. There are various departments in the medical colleges. They have to identify their roles and they have to play an important role in prevention and control of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. So here in AIIMS Devghar, we propose to start a NAFLD clinic or a cell. We all know that the state medical colleges and the various central government institutes are having non-communicable disease OPDs. So what we can do is we can start an NAFLD clinic where we can screen the individuals who are at risk for developing the NAFLD. We can have this screening for NAFLD maybe for 1 or 2 days in a week, not for all the days. And this clinic will be run by a medical personnel as well as there will be a dietitian who will be appointed and there will be a counselor. The counseling will be given for the people who are at risk as to why they need to get themselves investigated further and why they need the dietary modifications. So if we want to run this NAFLD clinic, we first need to sensitize the faculty members of the medical college. So for that, we need to do sensitization meetings and workshop of the faculty members as well as the private practitioners of our area. The faculty members of the state medical colleges, as well as that of the Central Institute, they can be the state level trainers, district level trainers, as well as the trainers of the counselors. The training can be coordinated among all the medical colleges of the state of Jharkhand. Apart from that, the state medical colleges, they can act as district nodal points for one or more adjoining districts in their area. They can generate a toll-free number for the physicians and the general practitioners to get technical support from the medical colleges. The telemedicine or the teleconferences should be promoted and they should be linked up with the district hospitals and the CHCs. Last, we would also like to activate the IEC activities. Here we suggest that we should incorporate the IEC activities related to non-alcoholic fatty liver diseases with the school health program. So what we can do is, like with the school health program, we can also identify the children who are at risk of developing NAFLD. We can involve the school authorities to see as to what is being served in the school canteens. And we can also see if the tiffin which the parents they provide, because this is a small locality of Jharkhand, we don't have canteens in the school, but we can go for the counseling of the parents to not to provide junk food in the tiffin and to develop healthy eating habits right from their childhood ages. And apart from that, last target will be the college students and the youth of the Jharkhand. And we would like to use media and both in form of print media as well as visual media for incorporating the IEC activities related to NAFLD. The media can create awareness regarding the risk factors as to how NAFLD is a risk factor for other non-communicable diseases and metabolic syndrome. The medical colleges can tie up with other organizations like your IAP, API, ASI, etc. Like in our IAPSF or in your IPHA conferences, we have a session on non-communicable diseases. So with these people also, we can have one session on NCDs and we can have one particular session on non-alcoholic fatty liver disease so as to generate awareness about the topic. Now, the medical colleges can play a very important role in the population-based registries. The medical colleges in Jharkhand will be the referral center where we can set up the FibroScan machine and even give the prompt medical care, which can be the ultimate medical care that can be given over here. The monitoring and evaluation can be done by the medical colleges. We can involve our interns, we can involve our PGs, and we can do monitoring and evaluation right from the grassroots level, from the ASHAs to ANMs and then to CHC, district hospital, everywhere. And of course, there is lots and lots of research which still needs to be done in this part of India, that is Jharkhand and rest of the eastern part of the India. So here in AIIMS Devghar, we propose to be the state nodal center for prevention and control of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. We have a functional telemedicine center and with which we are already providing services. So we can again be the nodal center of telemedicine for non-alcoholic fatty liver disease for Jharkhand or for the eastern zone of India. And we would definitely like to conduct multicentric research studies on NAFLD, especially in Jharkhand and the neighboring states, that is Bihar, West Bengal, and Chhattisgarh. We would also like to state that actually Devghar is in a tribal zone of Jharkhand, and we would like to conduct research surveys in tribal population and would like to see what are the comparative studies, if there is, of NAFLD with tribal population and with that of the general population. So this is all from our side at AIIMS Devghar, and thank you all for giving us an opportunity to be a part of this webinar, and thank you for listening to us.